This is one of the best free Amazon SEO keyword tools that no one talks about. Keywordtool.io generates keywords for multiple platforms. You can use it for all of these search engines. If you're an affiliate marketer, this tool is incredibly useful for finding niche keywords. It uses phrase match, which means that it gives you exact keyword matches based on what you type in. The tool will generate a list of keywords based on your niche. Once you have a list of keywords that you think will have high search intent, we're going to verify each keyword using Google Ads Keyword Planner or Ahrefs. For example, a keyword like camping coffee maker is trending upward right now and has decent search volume. Amazon keywords like best camping percolator are buyer intent keywords, meaning people searching for these are often ready to make a purchase, so it makes them ideal for affiliate content. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, this is definitely a tool worth exploring. See you in the next one.